expected. Oh wow. Ooh, that one missed
Victory
though.
awaits.
Snow sucks. I'll have to agree.
On the move. To a forgotten god. How quaint.
Need to find a way forward.
Who's this supposed to be? Statue
Well,
looks
a lot of the
ancient.
southern states are getting snow because of that fucking storm. Like, I don't think Florida has yet, but everything above us has gotten snow. You can't leave, and if your internet dies, you can't do anything else either. Yeah, fuck that.
That's curious.
There was a time that, because we used to live in the
A lot
mountains.
of
Of
effort
course, this
to
was
hide
when I was a
one
very
sarcophagus.
young person, a young baby, so I don't remember any of it, but they got stuck up there in a blizzard. They had to fucking burn furniture to survive.
So, what a... Now, I have a question for thee. What
Drink
curiosity
beers, go to Blinkerton.
wilt
I mean,
thou answer my
it's just the
question?
fucking, it's
So,
the perfect
I ask
storm.
again, what
I
is
must
the
say.
word? And that very we